Hi, nice to see you here on my channel. Today I will show you one of my new items which I bought and brought it with me here. It's a camping washing machine, a traveling washing machine, camping washing machine, whatever. I do not know how it will be called, but yes, it's just around about for one or maybe two t-shirts and some other small stuff. And as you see here behind me, as I show you in my latest video, that I got a new see-through here for my terrace and for my outdoor kitchen. Unfortunately, the craftsman or the worker has an emergency in the family, so he cannot come and do the rest of the work. I hope, so please cross the fingers, that he will come end of the week. Inshallah, I hope so, but I do not know. So it looks a little bit messy here, but it will be okay. So let me first show you my machine. Give me a second. I have to take it out of the here, my outdoor kitchen. So 1 second. So this is the whole machine. Just let me come out, and I can show you better. I've just a little bit prepared here, so then it might be easier. So, and now you will say, it's too small for a washing machine. And yes, it's really small, but let me show you. It is. You can remove it here. And so, let me, maybe I need a second hand. 1 second, please. Okay, that's it. So, this is my new machine, but I have to turn around it because there's also here a drain so that I can use directly my outdoor drain system here. But I have to put the sucker a little bit away. So it's not very big, but it will be fine. Just for some washing for some t-shirts, socks or something like that. I have just prepared it some here. Some shirts, oops. So some shirts I put in, and also some socks. And now I need hot water and normal water, so they told in the description that I only have to use around about 50 degrees water. I have just prepared some water in my heater. I have just some heated water. Next time, because I'm just thinking about to have an outdoor water line here, so then I can maybe use it directly from here and have not to go down to use it. And just let me put some water in so that it will not directly be so hot. Okay. You see? But I think it is not enough. So I have to go down and pick some more water. Give me a second, I will be with you. Oops. But I think it's not enough anymore. So I have to go once again. 1 moment. Last time it was not enough, so now I brought 2 with me. Let me see. So, number 1. Yeah, I think that will be now enough. Here's just the markers how high the water will be okay, but it's just a little bit down under the marking. So let me now put the sucker in. Okay. Of course, some washing items. I've just read it's orange flower and aloe vera smell. So let's see. Yes, it's okay. Just only a bit. Not too much because it's not so much washing in. It looks funny. And now I've just only to put the timer on. But I think I will do first cover it. So it will be now working for 15 minutes. You see how it's working. It's here. It's just like a normal washing machine. And now it's time for me to sit down and relax, enjoy the sun, and wait until the machine is ready. So see you soon as the machine is ready. Now, machine is over. You don't hear any sound, no more here, so I can just drain the water. It's very, very easy here, just like this. Just let me turn it around a bit so that it directly goes. So it's very easy when I do it directly there, so that I have not the messy water here all over the terrace. Just this is better. Now I have to wait until the water is going out of the machine. Then I will do some new clear water in, so without the washing liquid, maybe just let it wash again for around about 2, 3, maybe 4 minutes. So just be sure that all the washing liquid is out of the clothes. Also, I have a tumbling for this, but I don't want to do this. Just after this, I take it and then directly on the clothes rack to dry. Just let it do. Then it will be a little bit easier and faster. Okay, now to close it again. Yes, you see, it's very, very easy. And now the fresh water. So I learned from my last one. So just not come with 2 small or 3 small pieces, just 1 big. It might be much easier. And now cover again, and just round about some minutes, so that the washing liquid is going out of the clothes. Yes, you see. It's just a little bit like clear washing in the normal machine. So just I have to wait, and then I will be back. Okay, clear washing is over. Normally you also have this kind of pipe here. It's just for the drain water. So let me see. Normally I've just written in the instructions that you have to put it first on the machine, then you have to hold it up so that the water is not coming out. But maybe let me see. Maybe I can also manage it another way. So just remove and push it on. Yes. And it also will work. So during the water is going out, I just can remove the shirts and squeeze them a little bit. And now, if you don't have a basket, you can also use this one to store your washing on. Okay. And now the last one. So, now the water can go out for himself. And now, just let me open the door. Then it's easier for me. 1 second. So when everything will be ready here, then the door will be stay open. Without this, I hope it will work. So now I need this one. Just maybe I also take this one too, so it will be a little bit heavier both together. Okay. So now just only on my new drying rack. And because it's a little bit windy today, so I just, for security. And I think it's so warm and windy today that it only will be take round about 1 hour, maybe 1 hour and a half, then everything will be dry. So it's nice. This is a good way here. You can dry your clothes outside with the sun, so you don't need a drying machine. And the most important thing and the best thing is you never can lose a sock or something like that in the washing machine, because you see everything what you have done in, so you have to remove it. Okay, I need this one also. Okay, done. Okay, now I can close the door. The washing will be dry. I also let the machine a little bit dry, then I have to fold it back again together and push it back in the cupboard, and then washing day is over. Very easy, very fast, very relaxing. So I hope you enjoyed my video today and you also enjoy it to see how I do my washing. If so, please subscribe my channel so that you will be connected with me directly and that you see every time when I have a new video. And I wish you a great evening and a good day. Bye bye.